Yo, what's going on, guys? We're back at it here at my girl's house again. There's the Lexus. I mean, I don't know about y'all, but these wheels are kind of nice. Look at that. Ooh. I know the line is a little hard to see, but I mean, I like them. What do y'all think? But yes, wondering why I'm here again? Well, we got some more goodies for the car. Kind of all, I guess, they all lined up pretty good out of nowhere. She basically ordered some lights, and I will show you guys right now. And on top of that, we got to do differential service. And as you guys can see, just out of camera, I had to go and start shaving off a little bit of the fender. You guys can see it right there. She might still have a little bit of rubbing, but I'll inspect the fender and stuff like that. We'll get to that point. But what we're really here for is because the lights came in. Oh, yep. Like I said, it lined up perfectly. I was supposed to do this tomorrow, but since it happened today, I get paid today. So I send it, make some content. And yeah, so these are it. Oh man, I can't wait to show y'all. But I think my girlfriend wants to be here. So one sec, y'all. Wait for her to come back. My girlfriend's back. Shout out, she got me this, what was this, dragon fruit lemonade drink. Pretty good. Alright, so let me just put this to the side. Wow. So she wants to show you guys what she got. Ready? Oh yes, sir. You want to take this one? I'll take off the wrap. Sure, we got some Vland headlights. Man, these are gonna look really good on the car. She went with like a smoked, was it smoked? Yeah. Oh yeah, she went with like a smoked look, y'all. And also got the sequential turn signals, I'm pretty sure. Got your 3 LEDs here, one for your driving, high beams, turn, and then, this is your turn signal right here. High beams, drive lights, and low beams, I believe. So yeah. Oh man, I mean, I can see it already, everyone. Let's walk over here. And she's gonna help me too. She wants to help me, she wants to install it, so I'll show her what to do. We're gonna take off the front bumper, remove the headlights and all that stuff. And these are supposed to be plug and play. But yeah, I'm pretty excited, y'all. Look at these. Whew, gonna be real clean. Alright everyone, got the car jacked up in the rear for that differential service. Now we're going to take off the front bumper. Nothing too complicated. Got a 10 mil here, a little bit of hardware here and there. Girlfriend's already got the left side of the car taken off. Now we just got to take off the right. So another 10 here. Maybe disconnect your fog lights, and we should be good to go. Not everything's connected. That's supposed to be connected, which is okay. Let's see. We got this one. So here's something out. Anything from a screwdriver, guys, trim, rule tools, all that stuff. So is it recording? Okay. This is definitely a do-it-yourselfer type of thing, guys. If you guys are interested. Just a couple nuts and bolts, do a little bit of your guys' research. Oh, it is hanging a little bit, but fix that real quick. Once I get these fog lights out. One side's good. That's your fog lights, right? Maybe. Alright, we'll go with the maybe. Guys, bumper's out. Sorry, babe. I didn't mean to damage this. Super simple, guys. 3 bolts, 2 10s, and 1 8. Or 1 8 on that side. It's initially supposed to be 3 10s. So you got one right here, and one right here, I believe. Yeah. And also, since these are HIDs, I got to disconnect this. Yeah, this is the electrical connector for the HID system. And once you pull the headlight off, I believe it is direct plug and play. I have to read the manual because I did get a wiring harness with it. So we'll see what to do from there. Pull it, con huevo. So you see where the hole's at on the socket? You got it, bro. Did you break it loose already? Yeah?
No.
Okay. So you didn't break it loose?
No.
Okay, so remember, this is an 8mm, not a 10. Alright, while she's taking off that on y'all, I'm gonna just take off this one really fast. Alright, that's one. About off two. Pull them out. Oh, that's fine. That's okay. Boom. That's off. Okay, so this is what I was getting at, guys. So we have this wiring harness attached to it. Alright, my headlight's off. My girlfriend's working on that one. But yeah, now look at the car. Woo! Man, this thing looks weird without headlights. So once we get all of that, let's take the new ones out real quick. Quick little, let's see what's going on here. I haven't read the owner's manual yet, but it's alright. I tend to figure stuff out regardless. So this is the connection. Let me compare it to the old one. So let's see. Boom. Yep. And yep, looks the same. I don't know what that's for. I will have to figure that out. Ran into a quick issue, guys. So when you do it, being that the Toyota has a like specific fuse, you see how like the points are like spread out pretty. Oh, sorry, yes, if it can focus. So the contact points are spread out pretty far apart. They give us like this safety thing here with fuses and stuff. I don't know exactly what it's for, but I'm assuming it's something safety related, like a backup just in case so it doesn't burn. But sorry, I gotta pee. But basically it gives you the connection of a regular fuse, which I'll put that on the screen so you guys know what I'm talking about. But I did find it where it has one, it's called like a fuse adapter kit, where it has one that looks like that, so it'll actually go in the right way. I kind of have to tweak with it a little bit, but I got it to work for right now. So we are going to continue with the install. Just a minor issue. We are going to have to swap the brackets onto the new ones and go from there, y'all. Alright, welcome everyone. This is future me. Whoa, it's a little cold down here. Future me, about to do the diff service. You got your drain right here, which is an Allen, but I'm going to use Torx. Do it at your own risk. I'll let you know what size I use. And up there, if you guys can see it, right there, that is your fill. Super easy job. Just the fact that ever since I ran these, I ran a True Dual on this car, it makes it a little bit harder to access, but it's not the end of the world. We'll figure it out. This thing only takes about a little bit over a quart, so it shouldn't be too bad. So remember, before you even start draining, make sure the top one comes out, and then you can do the bottom one. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, everyone. So here we got our Torx. Size is what? Quarter. What is it? Quarter or T's? Oh, it's from T10 to T50. From a quarter inch drive to half, or not half inch, 3/8. So if I'm gonna try out this T50 real quick and see if it works. And the reason I'm doing it, guys, because I mean technically it's still a Hex, but it just has a star design to it. So well, we're not doing this anymore because I don't have the right tools. All right, everyone, it is really late. It is what it is. Ran into some issues, more like mounting stuff. There was actually some plastic here, that extra plastic that was hitting on this, so it wasn't allowing me to line up all the bolts exactly where they're supposed to. Now it looks like they can all line up. Pretty good, actually. There's gonna be some gaps there just because we don't have the weather stripping, but all the holes line up now where I need them to. And I'm gonna have to put some washers in there just to kind of tighten it up, because I was having issues where I tighten it up and I would have this I guess where the bolt screws onto just come off, and it was being annoying. So we're gonna put some washers in there, and we're probably gonna duplicate the other side if we have the same issues where I can't get this hole. I believe it's this one and this one right here to line up. So I will let you guys know once I get that side done, get this one done, and we still got the diff service. So yeah, I'll be right back, y'all. All right, we got it all good together, lined up as best I could. Low beams work, turn signals work, running lights work. So what I was trying to get at, everyone, was, I don't know if you guys can see, there's like washers right there, just to make it fit, just because I was having alignment issues and stuff. And then this one right here, you can kind of wiggle it around to line up with the hole on the headlight. Same thing over here. I don't know if you guys can see. Washers there as well. Yeah, I mean, everything works. Looks good. I mean, I know I got the stuff still on, but man, a little bit annoying. Ran the wire through here. You guys can see it. Wanted a clean look. So ran the wire through there, under the intake duct. Kind of, routed it with some wires for a cleaner look. No mess. You guys can see. So all that stuff works. Now let's check high beams. It works. Sweet. So high beams work. All right, we're good to go, everyone. We're gonna put the bumper on. Still gotta do differential service. It was a little tedious. I do have a part ordered for that fusible link that we have, just because the fuse connection isn't the same as the Toyota ones. But for the meantime, I got that one to work. I just kind of spread the connections apart to make it fit. And yeah, it works. Let's put the bumper back on, and I'll give you guys a better idea of how this looks with the bumper on. But it looks good. I'm happy. My girlfriend's happy. Definitely tested me, just because a lot of this stuff didn't want to fit close to the OEM one. But just because, I mean, it's not a brand new car. It is salvage. So it's been through accidents. So all that stuff kind of just shifts around. Body panels, mounting points, and all that stuff. But I got it to work. You know, I'm a tech, baby. Shoosh. But yeah. All right, everyone. Just went for a test drive. We still have to adjust the lights and stuff. At the moment, we're not gonna have daytime runnings. Your daytime runnings. Just because that fuse I mentioned earlier that connects to the fuse box and stuff wasn't the right one. Our AFS light's gonna be on. That's fine. After you install it, it shows you ways on how to fix that. But the biggest issue is we disconnected the fuse it's told us to. And all of a sudden we had to check engine light because that fuse that we disconnected, I guess I don't know exactly what it is or what it's related to. Just following the manual and stuff. Well, it just gave us a check engine light. I got codes for vehicle stability control, all that stuff. It was weird. So I gotta get the right fusible adapter for it. If not, you're gonna have a check engine light. Your car's not gonna want to start. It was really weird. It freaked out on us right now. So yeah, AFS light's gonna be on for when you install those. There's a fuse right here you replace once you have the other one on top for your daytime running lights connected. Other than that, guys, yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow when I have the right socket for the differential service. All right, everyone, third time is the charm. I had to run all the way to Harbor Freight, make another trip. Well, first I ran to AutoZone to get an Allen, got the wrong size. And yeah, it's been one thing after the other, but we're here. And then obviously yesterday, I tried to use a Torx and I didn't even have one that was big enough. So yeah, this is it. Oh, man, that fluid still looked good. We do have a good amount of metal in there. That's some thick stuff, y'all. I mean, regular just wear and tear. Wow, that fluid was still good. Thought we were gonna put new fluid in it anyways. I'm feeling the shop's pain right now. Alright, so just topped her off. I don't think you guys would have been interested in seeing me struggle pour the oil in there. So I'm gonna just tighten her up, and I'm gonna just go back to the light because, I don't know if you guys remember, as of yesterday, I was having issues where the daytimes weren't running. Just because the fuse they gave us, it was the fusible link, like the stuff we have to wire in. When I say wire in, but replace for a fuse, it wasn't the right one, being that Toyota has some very specific fuses. Okay, so we used to have the AFS light on, flashing. Don't have it anymore. You disconnect the fuse under here. It's 7.5. You'll see it in the owner's manual. If you guys read it, let me see. Yeah, it's right here. It's like a page, tells you what fuse to disconnect. This is the one. This is the one under the steering wheel, and this is the one outside. So that fuse, I replaced it already. Had to do some modifications. Sorry. And basically, under here, and this is the fuse box they're talking about. It's this one. Yeah, y'all can see now we do have running lights. Went in here, got that. Boom. This is what they're gonna want you to. This is what they're talking about. But the thing is, you have to get a Toyota specific or one that's connects to a Toyota, just because the fuse is a little bit different. And I showed you guys yesterday a little bit, but it's really weird. And after that, I just kind of used the Dremel to kind of take some plastic off right here so that it could sit nice and flush. Oh no, oh no. And it sits nice and flush. It's good here. It's clean, tucked away. Ran the wire through here, and that's pretty much it, guys. So we got lights installed, got diff service done, and it was a little bit of a hassle when it came to mounting these, doing the wiring a little bit. Just, I don't know, maybe I brought the wrong tools or something. And then that diff service, just, you know, a little bit of everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. So hope y'all liked the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more, y'all. Now we out. Peace.